Today, I will be showing you how I built a custom alpha research agent that provides financial data analysis to quantitative hedge funds and helps them synthesize market trends to make better trades. I'll show you how I built this agent, deployed it to Agent Engine, and published it on Gemini Enterprise, all by just using natural language prompt. I was able to achieve this with the help of our new Agent CLI and ADK. So before I go into this demo, I just wanted to touch on Google's Gemini Enterprise and how it's a great product for search and information discovery across the enterprise. It can act as a central source of truth for your entire organization. It provides conversational assistance to answer complex questions and make proactive suggestions and just take actions based off of your company's unique information. It comes with custom out-of-the-box agents and also comes with ability to create custom agents, which I'm about to show you how to do. The first thing I'm going to do is install necessary tools for setup, and I'm going to call Gemini, and I'm going to tell Gemini to use the Agent CLI to build a quantitative research agent named Alpha Research, and this agent should act as a senior financial data analyst for a quantitative hedge fund, and I wanted to use Google search to retrieve real-time macroeconomics data. I also want to use the Moody's Analytics API to synthesize market trends, compare historic public data, and output its findings. The Agent CLI tool is helping me do all of this, right? So all I have to do is go back in and review. Here, I'm going to change the instructions a little bit because I want the agent to do more, and also I want it to use the Moody's Analytics API. Now I would instruct Agent CLI to evaluate this agent. And as you can see, it's doing some evaluation. It came back with some results, two passed, 0 failed, so that's good. I'm also getting instructed to do further evaluation just to make sure, the agent is performing as I want it to. So once I get the result of that, the next thing I'm going to instruct the agent to do is to deploy this agent to Agent Engine. So now it's deploying the agent to Agent Engine. This is going to take a little bit of time. Once I have it deploy the agent to Agent Engine, now I can go under my agents. In Agent Studio, I go under deployment, and now I can see the agent listed. And the next thing I'm going to do is go into the playground and put in some prompt and see what types of results it gives me. I asked to search the latest news on the global semiconductor shortages, and I asked it to tell me what companies are most likely to benefit from the shortages. It tells me NVIDIA and TSM are most likely going to benefit from the semiconductor shortages, and Tesla is likely to face headwinds. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this agent published to Gemini Enterprise. So I just instruct the agent to publish this agent to Gemini Enterprise. And now as you can see, when I go into my Gemini Enterprise, I see my Alpha Research agent listed. And I can go into the Alpha Research agent and ask it the same question about, the semiconductor shortages. And it should give me a similar result like it did in the playground. So as you can see, again, NVIDIA is listed as, a company that's likely to benefit from the semiconductor shortages. It's also given me micro technology is an option. So with that, I can, download this data, send it to Sheets. I can use it as an internal resource. I could use it to further train some machine learning models to help me synthesize the market and determine what trades to make, and really just help me with my financial goals. So in a nutshell, that's how I was able to use natural language prompt to build an agent with the Agent CLI and ADK to deploy this agent to Agent Engine and finally publish it to Gemini Enterprise and surface it to my entire organization for use. Thank you so much for listening to my demo.